It has traveled across time and space. An energy force unlike any in the universe. It is powerful, intelligent, and it has found the perfect planet to inhabit.
Станция мир, говорит академик канала Владислав прием.
Юрий, посмотри.
Станция мир.
I'm picking up a contact. 12 miles out. Speed, 0 knots. It's dead in the water, but it's big. It's really big.
Hey! Is there anyone aboard?
I don't get it. I mean, we got a Russian vessel, middle of nowhere, dead in the water, crew vanished. I mean, why the hell would they abandon ship, huh?
You hear that? We don't find any dead bodies.
We got somebody else on board. Repeat, we got somebody else on board. That's who sank the tug.
Drop it.
8 days ago, during a transmission from the Mir space station, something came onto the ship. It took control of computers. It was learning. Learning what? How to kill us.
Somebody welded the engine room door shut.
What is it? High-tech robotics.
Get back!
Now, in order to survive,
It's creating a new life form. What?
It wants us for spare parts.
it must destroy the one threat
Oh my God.
to its existence.
I'm gonna die!
The virus called man.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing now.
Many men have wasted their lives in the foolish pursuit of Harmonoptera. Most have never returned.
I think you found something.
We call it the doorway to hell. Oh my God, it does exist.
You have unleashed the creature that we have feared for more than 3,000 years. As the bringer of death, he will never stop.
Universal Pictures invites you on an extraordinary adventure beyond life and time.
Oh no! Come on!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're now accepting bids for lot number 84.
Oil on canvas, dated 1870. La femme chez aube, which translates as a woman with massive bottom.
When Michael Felgate moved to New York.
Just run normally.
I am running normally.
I guess I haven't seen you run before, and I thought you were doing a funny run.
Funny run? That's my run.
He fell in love and bought a ring to prove it.
2 carat, how much money, what you pay?
But Michael's pursuit of happiness is about to take a detour.
I can't marry you because of my father.
Dad.
I don't want to marry your father.
But you will, Michael, him and his friends.
So you meet everyone? Vinny, Carmine, and this is Uncle Vito.
Rent, Goodfellas, Casino, Godfather, 1, 2, 3.
It's a little favor, a tiny lie, and you're theirs.
Mr. Graziosi has sent over one of his son's paintings for me to auction. This unusual painting is entitled Die, Piggy, Piggy, Die, Die.
There are some men here from the FBI.
Good. Have you at any time come into contact with anyone who you thought might be connected to organized crime?
Absolutely not.
Yesterday, he was a law-abiding citizen. Today...
So, who's your friend? This is, Mickey Blue Eyes.
Mickey Blue Eyes.
Mickey Blue.
It's me, Miggy.
What?
Hugh Grant.
Try this. Forget about it.
Hey, forget about it.
James Caan.
Get the hell out of here. Remember, no R's.
Get the hell out of here.
Here.
Gene Triplehorn.
You're one of the guys now.
In a romantic comedy you can't refuse.
I am not going to let anyone come between us. Not Vito the Butcher or Vinny the Baker or anyone involved in any kind of food preparation.
Mickey Blue Eyes.
But we got it under control. Forget about it.
Why in the world are you talking like that?
Shut up, asshole. I had enough of yous.
Oh, baby, you're so good.
Oh, yes, I am the best.
Yes. Hey, Jimmy.
Lying here next to
Something wrong with the reception?
Yeah.
Ready for bed, son?
But all set, Dad. All set.
No. I think he's trying to watch some illegal channels here.
This is just bad reception, honey.
You're so big.
What's that?
I want the right time, the right moment, the right place.
It's not a space shuttle launch, it's sex.
Tomorrow will just be some girl you go telling all your friends about.
No way.
Hey, did you see The Little Mermaid on TV the other night? No? That Ariel, man, she's so hot.
Well, this is the female form. Look at the expression on her face. She's kind of looking right into your eyes, saying, "Hey, big boy. Hey, how you doing?"
There's gonna be an Eastern European chick naked in your house, and you're not gonna do anything about that?
What am I gonna do? Broadcast her over the internet?
Yeah. Oh, incredible. If you ever had a chance with Nadia, this is it.
Somebody's coming in there.
That guy's in my trig class.
Oh, no.
More, you bad boy.
Go, Trig boy. It's your birthday.
Touch me, Jim.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Houston, we have a problem.
Friends call me Nova, as in, Casanova. You actually said that? Yeah! All that you gotta do is ask them questions and listen to what they have to say and shit. I don't know, man. That sounds like a lot of work.
From Universal Pictures.
Stephanie's mom.
Are you trying to seduce me?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Mom?
Comes a brutally honest look
What exactly does third base feel like?
Like warm apple pie.
at that time in everyone's life when we try to hold on to our dignity.
Sure?
American Pie.
Well, we'll just tell your mother that we ate it all.
No ring.
What do we got? Calm down, Richie.
No gloves. No rules. Just big jugs. Richie. Eddie. In Guest House Paradiso.
Come on, Richie. It's not that bad. Yes, it is. I just trapped the tip of my penis in the till drawer.
Listen. If you want to see the latest movie releases, why wait up to 2 years for TV? Up to 1 year for cable and satellite? Up to 6 months for pay-per-view. Get down to your local video store. The best place to watch movies is your place. Rent a video now.
The film which you are about to